material labyrinth. Collage chrome into colossal. Gauge God in the odd genesis of materializing. We are all a sum of sorts. You of dust, you of stutters, you of circles and wings of winging it, you of apologies and paint layer upon paint layer of distraction and fancy, you of bent straws, of dings, dents, dimples, of scars, scratch, scoliosis, you of matte and luster. John Chamberlain took scrap metal from old cars and changed the scale, took crushed steel of convertibles, flattened the compact, and forged stoic giants. Come close and change the scale. Find your face mirrored in the details. Be the power surge to move this mecca. Or run until the sculptures are but trinkets in your pinched fingers and squint. In this perspective, you are now giant, holding each sculpture as a miniature or a tool. World appease. Zoom further out into a perspective of only nouns on paper. John Chamberlain's sculptures, anagrams of automobile. Automobile. Beam out oil. Automobile, bow to limo. Automobile, ooh, atom, bile. Or, i.e., that is, bloat. Besides giants, I want to grow out of the ground in a beyond 5'1.5" kind of way. Shine a light so I may shadow stretch. Find the seam in the field so I may roll across and gather into a lumpy chrysalis, a mild natural disaster. Take our names and puzzle them into a new making. My own name, Shannon. Rearrange sounds of museum murmur. So, Shannon. Ha 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 ha. No, on. Shh. Embrace me into a new shape. Thank you.